It is. It's currently 1 something in the morning and we're heading to the airport right now. So, tag along for the journey. It is. We're inside the airport. Yeah, Chase picked home got constipated because those who don't hear must feel. So he's currently over there and we're waiting for him. So, yep. Ready as yet to put on his shoes. See him over there sitting at the top. In that book, yeah. Nice. A nice long search. You must know. If you never show which part day where you should do wallet in the car when media drive come, you should search and check. Ooh, Christmas tree.
Don't worry, no part of you is a gift from your fan and the tree. That's the Grinch.
Me, I'm a limited edition, so I don't.
Elf actually. Santa little elf. Yes, yeah, sure, don't.
How far I can chuck you off of that plane?
I'm on my beside you. You know, say.
Yes, you're agent.
You know, no.
Which one is there?
We are now sitting beside our gate, waiting to board. It's currently, what time now, Daddy? 3:14. Boarding timing. Boarding time, according to the paper. Hold on, let me find the paper. Use Daddy one as an example. Boarding time is 4:26 a.m. It's 3:56 and I'm hungry and I get to board and I didn't bring anything to snack on. Nor did I bring, I didn't eat anything before eating. I just wake up, packed up everything, packed up and I thought actually eat some, this is usually my midnight snacking hours. Not midnight snacking hours, but you know, snacking hours.
I don't say I get married, so I'm close to stimulating to it.
You see you? Yeah, I got chuck you somewhere and left you. Hello.
Yeah, so catch let's
Wow.
We can't record him. We record him. Say
Record yourself, man. Vlog. We're not such a vlog.
which vlog you record?
Vlog of my life. So something woman. Yo! Okay.
You're gonna watch it. Ask before it's connected. Please keep my indication of time while the flight isn't allowed. It would voice more than
He's just asked one of the masks. He's just asked one of the life-saving masks for souvenir. Something wrong with this boy, seriously. That's stupid though, because maybe they just save that. Something wrong with it. Why won't that one has souvenir? The man a direct the thing.
start up. I'm in the land of white.
We're here, but we can't find
That's what I'm saying.
We can't find mommy. Nobody has any crates to call mommy. We have any Wi-Fi to call mommy. We just
Stranded
lost
to meet
mommy.
each other.
I don't want to be associated with this people. Just two of them.
I don't want to see that.
She said no one soon. No.
Envious.
Oh my, look at this.
Yeah, video them.
Going to London, going to use the bathroom. Mommy gave me a jacket, so I can't wear it because I'm getting there for the cold. Don't know why I'm going to be up here. Oh my god. I didn't capture me hugging mommy, but I captured her hugging everybody else. So don't feel like I didn't get my hug. I got my hug. I just too busy hugging her, so, you know? I'm going to tell you, I remember how to take the train. It's just that train before if me I got the right place.
Did you take the train before?
Yeah, take the train before.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing. Please hold on.
We're currently with my mom as we just bought 4 train tickets. We just got our first taste of the cold and I don't like it. I don't like the one. We're now on the train. Yeah. Come on, got that. You're the one that's drinking because I'm hungry.
That's the one I go to anyway. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yogurt. Lock it properly. Make sure you say it like properly first. We're outside. You smell crab? Where you smell crab? I smell one bag of grease. So I smell a lot of people. I'm allergic to people. Alright. So this is how we look at knickknacks, paddywhacks. There you go. I'm being KFC.
Ew.
So in this village now. See you there, mommy. Anyways, now that I'm home, well, home for the next 2 weeks, I will see you guys tomorrow. Mommy just texted us that there's snow outside. So well, most are rain, so we're gonna go outside because, you know, we want to see.
Something.
Did you see that? Oh my god, if you see on my hand there, it's snow. It's like snow. Oh my god.
It's not really snowing.
Let's go this way, the park is this section.
Oh my god, I can see your breath.
There's a park over there, so we're just gonna head out. Oh my god, look at it. It's snowing. Oh my god, this is so cold.
When you sleep.
Yes, it's I'm seeing on my sleeve. It's snowing. This is so cool. I hate the cold, but this is genuinely so cool. Like,
Look at us.
oh my god, look around. Oh my god. Oh my god. You're not gonna see it on the ground. Oh my god. Let's see if you can catch my hand. It's raining, snowing. Oh my god. It's snowing.
Where the gum? These are like 2 inches snow.
Oh. Oh my god, I hate the cover. This is legit so cool. This is a whole new experience. The sky, it's so great.
If you see yourself and you look like you know the bees were in the honey, in the flower, the pollen. You look like that. You look like bees with the pollen.
Nice, I guess. Wow.
Oh my god, we can't feel my fingertips no more.
Oh my god, we should have made daddy come outside.
Courage and devotion.
Like, do it, my camera like get fog up. Wait, cool.
Oh, you can drive in yourself.
We're setting up our Christmas tree. That's all you need to see. Whoever said setting up a Christmas tree was easy lied.
Wait for shoot them.
I sincerely want a refund.
I'm not gonna tell them why the Christmas tree white.
Why the Christmas tree white? We're racist.
Okay. Cancel before you even pop it out. Bag a bit about the place. Look at Shane.
We're trying to do the snowballs or whatever they want to call it. Them gigantic stuff.
Though.
We're trying to do these, but we have to string them for ourselves and it takes much time. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Rocking around the winter tree at the frosty party.
Let's turn keep on and turn off. Oh, I'm a too pretty film. Final touches, I don't like to talk.
So the next one, yeah.
Here's the tree so far. Let me zoom out. Ignore the trash.
Think fast.
Merry Christmas. So, I got my Christmas present early, remember? But I didn't open it up until today's Christmas morning. So, what better day to open it up than Christmas morning? Why am I whispering? This is 360 app. This is the guide. Oh my god. Let me look at it. Let's look at it later. That's about it. This is a clip. Yes, this goes here. There it goes. My new camera and Christmas morning. This is I'm gonna play around with this and you will be seeing the next footage from this camera. Merry Christmas, everybody.
You alone have to buy yourself. So now go ice skating with them and I keep playing.
Yeah, go on with them. Enjoy yourself. They are foreign and video.
Rachel must have been bad. Rachel, don't say so never.
Let's pop it.
Just rip it open. We're gonna show the paper. We're gonna show the paper. Just rip it open. Just open it. Now we're gonna show the paper.
Folks dressed up like
So cute.
with your eyes full of glory, every mother's child.
And of course, I'm the only one I get the song.
You're telling lies. The truth. I lie. That one I'm really did never know. The truth. Whatever that crap. Tears, bro. Literal tears. We never know. These are the richest. Like them literally only just come out and them now. Alright, the next one. It's true, bro. Yeah, it's true. We're in love. We're not gonna break up down there. It's true, bro. And them pink. It was worth it. Where's that one from?
But the fire is so delightful, and simply don't place to go. Let it flow.
NYC's performance destination.
This is why.
What kind of dinner or something?
Here. Here's extra. You want ice cream?
Fried. Cool. Yeah.
Right.
It's okay.
Come on, did I come? Here to me. Cheers to me. Best day of the year. Yes, again. 701.
What's color? Why you ball up my car them so you know? But I see what my car my bro. Like Jesus Christ.
Pick a color.
In pink green.
Oh.
No sir.
Oh god.
No.
Yeah, but what until they get that green?
For real? Yes.
Reverse. Back to you.
Lick him. Lick him.
No, I see about my card, bro. I see about my card. I know what to do.
When the idea is to get rid of the cards.
Your turn.
Not the plus ones. Sweet. Wait, man, just wait. Oh, man. Mamma mia.
Yeah, like a snowball. It come up on. Snowball. snow. Cool. We touch the snow with my hand.
Me never touch it, no. I like, I'm gonna say ice, you know.
Ice.
And a crumb.